Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix mouse cursor disappeared on Windows 11. And for this we click on our Windows icon and the X, and then you will get this option, and then do your arrow down until you receive at Device Manager and click there on Enter. Then right now he will load your Device Manager and then click on Tab to get that blue selection. Now do arrow down until we reach at mice and other pointing devices, and there do the arrow to the right. Then do arrow down, and right now click here on Enter. Then do tab until you get that marker at General, do one arrow to the right, and then do tab, tab, tab until we receive at uninstall device, and then right there we click on Enter. Then do Enter again, and right now we need to do this again. So do arrow down, then right there click on Enter, do tab until General, right arrow, and then tab, tab, tab to uninstall device, there do Enter, and then do Enter again. Right now do Alt F4 to delete the screen. Now do Windows button and D to select your display. And now do Alt F4 to get this right here. Right now, if you shut down your PC and you will start up your PC, your mouse cursor is back. So this is exactly what you need to do. Hopefully this was helpful. Then thanks, and please consider subscribing to this channel. And then for now, thanks for watching.